Hey guys, welcome back to another video for Eliot's Excel exercises. How are you doing today? Today we'll be talking about the COUNTA formula. So this formula is a little bit different from the regular count formula. As you can see here in my notes section, not only does it count all cells that have numbers in them, it counts all cells that are not empty. So let's get started. Here's our data set like normal. I've cleared out the totals number area from the last lesson to use this new formula. So we're going to start off by doing equals count, and the second option you see A, so you can scroll down to that, hit tab, and now you have the count A. So just like normal, we can take our data set, go from the top to the bottom, and hit tab, and we see that we have our 21. We can take our black cross and move it over to the right, so we can copy the formula over for each column. I want you guys to notice something right here. So we have the same exact result as last time, if you remember. If you haven't watched my count video, then go ahead and check that out now. So here you notice that, well, it's kind of hard to check to see if the formula is working because we got the same exact result as last time. So I want to show you right here that on this bottom cell, I'm going to make a border around it just so we can pay attention to it, and I'm going to use the regular count formula, and I want to show you the difference between the two. The count, remember, it only counts numbers, it won't count text. So for that reason, I'm going to include the word amount and then go all the way down and see what it gives us. If I hit tab on that, it's still 21. And the reason for that is this is text. It's not going to recognize this word or text as a number, so it doesn't count it. If I were to include, let's do that on count A, and if I were to include the amount, right, go all the way down, hit tab on that, now it's 22. The reason for that obviously is because this cell isn't empty, it has something in it. So that is the main difference between count and count A. It could also give you a little bit of a signifier if you have any missing cells in a gigantic sheet of data, right? Let's say you did the same thing here, right, and you dragged it over to the right, and theoretically the numbers should be the same, 21 here and 21 there, but maybe somewhere down the line you only have 19, so now you have to go and search for two cells that are empty, right? So that is basically the function for the count A. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next time. See ya.